If you're experiencing login issues with Bank of the Rockies, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing the bank's website or app. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing login issues. Step 4. Update your Apple browser. If you're using the mobile app or a web browser, ensure that you have the latest version installed. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists, reach out to Bank of the Rockies customer support. They can provide assistance and help you regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the bank.